Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So here's a video starting on YouTube how to make an intro. So this is gonna be one for the studio setting up guide, step-by-step channel video set that I've made. So basically I've just got a notepad up here now. I'm just writing down these 3 key points that you need to keep in mind. Why is this trailer set up or this channel set up? What is it? What's your channel about? What will the audience get from this? So that's the 3 things you want to cover in your trailer. So now if I show you my YouTube here, when you go customize channel, that brings you to this screen. So you have 2 options there, one for returning subscribers, one for new subscribers. So this will basically sit in this section here. So you'll see there I've got the home studio location and setup video, but I want to change that to the trailer. So it's quick and easy. Basically you go into your film editing software, find some of your old video clips and adjust them about. So you want to go through and basically find the best of the best and condense them down. So here you'll see I've got a mixture of little clips that I've put together. Originally it was about a minute, well first it was longer, but it was a minute, and then I condensed them down and put a tune in, and to the beat I started cutting out little sections of action from each clip and adjusting that to the music. So you can see here I've zoomed it up just to save you some time. It was about 1.5 hours in total that I took, but that is just showing you how and what to do. So you want to keep in mind, cut an action scene. So if you're mid movement, cut it, don't wait for the movement to stop, because otherwise it looks a bit awkward. So that's something there, and you can see here now I'm kind of cutting them down even further to the tune, because you can see the waveform. So you want to cut to each beat if there's a beat, and then change to another frame. And what you can also do here is for certain beats, if it makes like a certain type of noise, like that kind of noise, you can adjust little clips and reverse. So that little clip there, I basically cut it into 3 segments and reversed the clip little bits, so it makes it kind of go to the tune and it looks like it's doing something funky, but it's not really. So that's an overlook at the video setting up stage there, and just adjusting that. It's a bit tedious, you keep playing and going back and checking it to see if it's right on tune, because you have to sometimes render it as well, because the tune music goes out of tune with the picture. So once you render it like this, then you get a true reflection of what it sounds like. So there, that kind of one section of it, but that's going to happen multiple times because you can adjust everything to that. And here's a few more now. So I've adjusted that down even further. Now it's coming to just under 29 seconds. We're kind of flying through that now, just showing you all the collation of shots that I'm doing. So I'm keeping those 3 points in mind that I originally started. What's my channel about? Unboxing, reviews, gear, and giving you information. So now we go to the audio section, because at the start I've got a little bit of an intro saying welcome and subscribe. So here I'm in Audacity. I've opened that up, and you can see there I'm monitoring my mic levels, and that's just me saying the intro there. And I recorded that and then did a few enhancements on that video. So there's a few things you keep in mind. I'm going to make a separate video for this just to show you how to do this, because it does help. I'm using a an AKG reporter's mic. It's not designed for voiceovers, but it's what I've got, so I'm using it. So you can enhance the actual vocals in the Audacity to give you a bit of a better sounding voice. So now you can see that this is bass and treble. I've adjusted the levels, so I'm just flying through this, but I'll give you a sample of the raw clip that I recorded without any of this adjustments, and then I'll show you one with the adjustments so you can hear what it sounds like. This is Zulf Photography. Here's why you should subscribe. This is Zulf Photography. Here's why you should subscribe. Good there now. So you'll have seen that's how it sounds with and without that slight edit. So now I've rendered the video out and I've saved a copy of it. I'm basically uploading it to YouTube now, and you remember that little word cloud I had earlier. I'm using that as my inspiration for the information in the description box. So see that 3 points are covered. I'm basically using that and bulking it out and putting it in the description section of the video uploaded into YouTube. So once that's uploaded, I basically add a few tags and save it and put it in the right playlist, and then look at customized thumbnails. I've also got a separate video to show you how to make customized thumbnails for your video. My channel, and here you can see for new visitors, I adjust it to that new video, so now that will autoplay when people come onto my channel. So that was an overview of setting up intro, and you can see that I'll put that at the end of the video so you can see what the actual intro was that I designed. There you go, done. This is Zulf Photography. Here's why you should subscribe.
It's tilted.